Welcome to Mihai Eminescu Central University Library. The largest library in Moldova, with a collection of over 2.5 million volumes. The online catalog is the tool that allows you to search for books, magazines, newspapers, periodicals, old books, DVDs, maps and other types of documents. Professors and researchers are allowed to borrow up to 10 publications at home, for a period of 30 days, with the possibility of extension. Students can borrow up to 5 publications at home for 15 days with the possibility of extension. In order to benefit from our loan services, please access our library's web page to find out what we offer. To start, choose a search interface. The MapFind interface is user-friendly and the interface named Catalog Aleph allows you to perform advanced searches. To order a publication, please log in. Fill in the barcode number on the library card in the box account. Enter the same number as a password. Then, press the Connect button. After authentication, fill in the search area. At the same time you can choose a search criterion. Here are some examples. Search by title, Psihologia Generală. Search by author, surname and name Cosmovici Andrei. Global subject, Psicanalisa. Therefore, simple searches may involve the use of words from the title, the name of the author or a subject. For more precise searches in the architecture of the online catalog, please select one of the available document bases. The Books Catalog, the Periodicals Catalog, the Special Collection Catalog, the catalog for books in electronic format, e-books, etc. Press the Start button to see the results. The Format section reflects the purpose of the requested document: book, article, periodical. The branch/copies field indicates where the document is and the number of copies available. The Photo section illustrates recent publications included in the catalog and the Media section displays data from the paper. Choose the desired publications by selecting the serial number and check the availability of the loan in the central unit or in the branch libraries. Please be aware that the publications with a special status can be ordered online. Pentru împrumut, which means for loan. Sala de lectură, which means reading room only. Depozit legal, which means legal deposit. Sala periodice, which means periodicals reading room only. After specifying where you want to pick up your publications, the central building or one of the branches, press the Start button. Once you have placed your order, please wait for the publication to be delivered as soon as possible to the loan point or the reading room. The waiting time depends on the type of document you have chosen and where it is stored. For periodicals, orders placed between 8:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. will be honored at 3 p.m. Those sent after 1:30 p.m. will be available the next day after 9 o'clock in the morning. In your personal file section, under Online Orders, you can check whether the list of ordered publications corresponds to your selection. In the case of online orders made from the library's computers, please press the Logout button, so that you don't reveal your personal data. Documents ordered online will be made available at the loan points or in the reading rooms. For additional questions concerning the loan procedure, please consult the Ask a Librarian service, available on the library's website. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at the library.